Hey love, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Tricia. I am a woman over 50 living and loving life in Atlanta. And the truth is, I'm learning how to live better with less. Today we're going to dive into how I organize my makeup stash, how I ditched the clutter and created a system that works for my over 50 glow up. When I moved into this beautiful high-rise condo in the city, I traded square footage for skyline views. But that meant I had to really streamline my entire life, including my makeup, which has probably been my hardest challenge to overcome. I just feel like I have to keep everything because I just might need it. And let me say this, adding Tretinoin was a game changer for my makeup routine. I started that journey almost a year ago, and because it has transformed my skin, my everyday no makeup look is flawless. Not only am I using fewer products every day, I'm using less product, which makes my foundation and concealers and powders just last longer. That in itself cuts half of my get ready time, which makes me so incredibly happy. I am committed to standing in my soft life. And that means that everything I do and become is easy. Like we're totally focused on the essentials, the things that help my no makeup skin glow. So I grabbed a couple of bins, and of course I have these super cute, clear makeup cases. And so I organized the cases with my essential makeup items and my brushes, some travel perfumes, and then I found these clear bins that fit neatly under my sink and help me to be able to organize each self-care session. So I have one bin for my spa treatment days, and then another bin for all of my hair care treatment days. And that just helps keep it simple. I used to use these Louis Vuitton cases that I just love. I collect vintage Louis Vuitton cases, but I found that I spent more time digging in them, trying to find things, and the clear containers just help keep it simple for me. And when I grab a bin or I grab a case, it has everything that I need for that glow up session. My self-care is super important. And in this small space, it's not even about just a small space. It's about where I am in life. I used to organize my products by category. Or product type. Now it's by the lifestyle. I've got my grab and go makeup that I can pull my no makeup look together in 15 or 20 minutes max. I have the bin for my hair day glow up, and I have the bin for my skincare glow up routines on Sundays. And so now when I reach for a bin or a case, it's easy. And I don't feel like I'm digging for treasures at a treasure hunt. And I know that sounds so strange, but it is so important for me to keep it easy so it no longer feels like work. Now that everything's in place, I'll keep it fresh with a Sunday reset. A quick wipe down, check for anything expired, and rotate the new products to keep it fun. This 5-minute habit keeps everything feeling light, clean, and clutter-free, just the way I like it. When I look at my organized space now, it's more than just makeup. It's a little pocket of peace in my space. No clutter, no chaos, just me, my favorites, and a reminder that less really can be more. Creating a space for what matters. That's the real glow up.